Good morning, Junior 2. Welcome to 87. We have learned so much about regrouping in the past few days. We have talked about regrouping in the ones place and the tens place. But what if an addition problem requires us to regroup in the both, the ones and the tens places? Let's look about this here in the lesson 87. Write the addition equation your teacher gives you. Draw place value picture to represent the addends. Regroup when you need add to find the sum. This is our place value math. Start with the ones, tens, and 100. Let's start our problem. 536 plus 25. 536 plus 25. Here we will represent the ones as a small square, the tens we will represent it as a straw, and the hundreds we will represent it as a big square. Let's start with the first number, 536. Tell me, what is the number? Write it in the ones here. Yes, 6, so we will represent 6 in the ones as 6 small square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And tell me, what is the number? Write it in the tens. Yes, 3. So we will represent 3 in the tens as 3 straw, like this. 1, 2, 3. And tell me, what is the number? Write it in the hundreds here. Super, 5. We will represent 5 in the hundred as 5 big square, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Super. The second number, 25. Let's represent it. Start with the ones. We have 5 in the ones. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, what is the number here in the tens? Super, 2. So can you represent 2 in the tens here? Yes, we will represent it as 2 straw. 1 and 2. Now, can you count how many square here in the ones? Yes, I have 11, but can I write 11 here in the ones? Super, I can't write it, so what I will do? Yes, I will take the 10 square from here, or the 10 one of this here, and put them as 1 straw in the tens. Again, we take this before. We will take 10 from the ones and put it as 1 in the tens. Now, can you tell me how many here in the ones? Yes, 1. So I will write 1 in the ones. Okay, count how many straw here in the tens? Yes, we have 6. Okay, can you tell me how many big square here in the hundreds? Yes, we have 5. So the result will be 561. Question number 2. 619 plus 111. 619 plus 111. Let's represent 619. Start with the ones. Tell me, what is the number? Write it here in the ones. Yes, 9. Let's represent 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Super. Can you tell me what is the number? Write it in the tens. Yes, 1. Can you represent it? Super. I will put 1 straw here, like this. Super. And what is the number in the hundreds here? 6. Super. Let's represent 6 in the hundred. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 111. This number is super easy. Yes, let's represent 111. Start with the ones. We have 1 in the ones. Super. And what in the tens? Yes, we have 1 in the tens. And how many in the hundred? Yes, we have 1 in the hundred. Now, can you tell me how many here in the ones? Yes, we have 10, but can I write 10? No, I can't. So what I will do? Yes, I will regroup this 10 from the ones and put them as 1 in the tens. Super. Now, can you tell me how many here in the ones? There is nothing in the ones. Yes, super. So we will put 0. Okay, count how many straws here in the tens? Yes, we have 3 straw. We will write 3. Okay, count how many here in the hundreds? Yes, super. 7. So the result here will be 730. Question number 3. 73 plus 62. 73 plus 62. Start with 73. Represent this. Start with the ones here. We have 3 in the ones. Yes. So we will represent 3 in the ones. 1, 2, 3. And tell me, what is the number written here in the tens? Yes, 7. Let's represent 7 in the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, the second number, 62. Let's represent 62. Start with the ones. Tell me what is the number here. 2 in the ones. Let's represent 2. 1 and 2. Okay, what is the number in the tens? 6. Can you represent 6 in the tens? Yes, we will do 6 straw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we represent the 2 number. Count how many here in the ones? Yes, we have 5. So we will write 5 in the ones here. Okay, and how many straws here? 13. Can I write 13? No, I can't. So what I will do here? Yes, I will take 10 here from the tens and take them and put it as 1 in the hundreds here. Again, I will take 10 straw here from the tens and put it as 1 in the hundreds here. Now, can you tell me how many here in the tens left? Yes, we have 3 straw here, so we will write 3 in the tens. And how many here in the hundred? We have 1. Super, so 1 in the hundred, 3 in the tens, 5 in the ones. The result will be 135. Question number 4. 387 plus 426. 387 plus 426. Let's start with 387. We will start with the ones. Tell me what is the number here in the ones? Yes, 7. Let's represent 7 together. In the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Super. And what is the number written here in the tens? Yes, 8. Let's represent 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Super. And what write it here in the 100? 3. Let's represent 3. 1, 2, and 3. Super. The second number, 426. Let's represent 426 started with the ones. What is the number here in the ones? Yes, 6. Let's represent 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super. And what is the number? Write it in the tens. 2. Let's represent 2. 1, 2. Okay. And what is the number? Write it in the 100 here. Yes, 4. Let's represent 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now we represent the 2 number. Let's collect how many here in the ones. Count them together. Yes, 13. Can I write 13 in the ones? Super, I can't write 13. So what I will do here? Yes, I will take 10 here from the ones. Take them and put it as 1 in the tens. Again, I will take 10 from the ones and put it as 1 in the tens. Now, can you tell me how many left here in the ones? 3. Super. We will write 3 in the ones. Okay. Count how many straws here in the tens. Yes, 11. Can I write 11 in the tens digit here? No, I can't. So what I will do here again? Yes, I will 10 here from the tens and put them as 1 in the 100 here. I will take 10 straw from the tens and put it as 1 in the 100 here. Super. So how many straw left here in the tens? Yes, 1 straw in the tens. So I will write 1 in the tens. Count how many here in the 100? Yes, there are 8. So the number at the end will be 813. Question number 5. 47 plus 43. 47 plus 43. Question number 6. 812 plus 48. 812 plus 48. I want from you to do these 2 questions by yourself in the place value mat.